Hey there, friends and family. Welcome back to the channel. Welcome to today's video. I've been sick all week. I posted on the community page yesterday that I missed yesterday's upload because I've been sick and didn't have it in me to upload. But we're going to get through this shorter video today with 2022-23 Chronicles basketball. I've got 3 fat packs ready to open up. These are 51 cents per card. When I bought the full boxes of these from Books A Million several months ago. So let's get into it, see what we can find. De'Aaron Fox, Chronicles base. Cade Cunningham, Chronicles base. Chet Holmgren rookie, Prestige. Chronicles base rookie, Johnny Davis. Pinnacle, Christian Coloco. Absolute, Paolo. Luminance rookie of Branham, Malachi. Sorry. Vertex, Jalen Duren. Luminance, Ding. Ja Morant on the Dynagon. Orlando Robinson is our first teal Donruss rated rookie. A couple more teals here, or one more. XR teal, Jeremy Sokin, and an XR, Jason Tatum. And we'll close out with a couple of classics rookies, Jaden Ivey and Keegan Murray. 2 more of these fat packs for today's video. And hopefully I'll be back full strength for Tuesday's video. If not before, earlier in the week, but most likely we'll wait to get them uploaded, get a video uploaded for Tuesday. Pinnacles, Dalen Terry. Chronicles base, Chet Holmgren. Prestige, rookie, Agbaji. Chronicles, Dyson Daniels. Pinnacles, Wendell Moore. Absolute, Max Christie, rookie. Luminance, Jovic. Jalen Williams, rookie, Vertex. Malachi Branham from Absolute. Luminance of Jalen Williams. Jalen Williams Chronicles. Teal. XR Jeremy Sokin. Marquee Ja Morant. Classics rookie Jabari Smith. And Classics rookie Chet Holmgren. One more fat pack to go. I think I finally got that tickle out of my throat, so hopefully we can get through this third pack without any coughing. Prestige, Julius Randle. Chronicles, Benedict Mathurin. Pinnacle, Jaden Hardy, rookie, Donovan Mitchell on the Classics base, Chronicles base. Jabari Smith, Chronicles base. Jabari Smith, Vertex rookie. Absolute, Walker Kessler. Luminance, Christian Braun. Agbaji, Absolute rookie. Benedict Mathurin, Score Premium rookie. Jalen Duren on the Absolute, teal. And we got 2 Keegan Murrays from Essentials. One of them is teal, one is the base. And then 2 classics to close it out. It's a Paolo and a Steph Curry. So that'll do it for today's video. Thanks so much for watching. I do appreciate it. Apologies for it being a day late, but hopefully you can understand with all of the colds and stuff that are going around. But I did still want to get one out to end the week out. So thanks for watching. I do appreciate it. Remember to leave a like, subscribe. Thank you for 200 subscribers, by the way. We crossed that yesterday. Thank you so much for that. Continue. If you're not subscribed, make sure that you click that button right below the video, right about here, as we continue to grow the channel and create more videos for you to watch. That'll do it for this one. I'll see you very soon.